Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover ionization energy and all of its exceptions and variations within 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start. If I take second period, this is the configuration for lithium 2s1, beryllium 2s2, boron 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5. So if we move left to right, normally Z effective increases. So the attraction on outer electron increases and you have to provide more energy to remove that electron. So it will have more. But here if you want to remove it from 2s and 2p, an electron present in 2s will have more penetration effect, so it will experience more attraction. So the energy required will be more for this electron. So here I have to I have to interchange the position, then it's okay, but ideally oxygen should have higher ionization energy, but nitrogen is having high. Why? Because here I am having completely filled p orbital, so this order will be followed and I have to interchange its position. Now order will be this. Similarly, you can remember the complete table, right? So the interchanges here 1 2 3 4 5 and you have here, just look at it, complete table is done, but you have to take care of exceptions. So we have interchange. So if you know, this is second period, this is third period, this is fourth period, but after fifth period onward we have no interchange. In this case, us say T, उससे T, so tellurium is more. So in tellurium and SBM it will be more, in BM and PO there is no change. And now when we move in a period, in a group, top to bottom size increases. As a result, net attraction on outer electron decreases. So when we move left or top to bottom, electron will experience less attraction and you have to provide less energy. So ionization energy will decrease and the order will be this. Order will be this, right? So when you are getting this order, again we have exception over here and this will be followed everywhere. This will be followed everywhere except these two cases. Thallium will have more ionization energy than indium and Pb will have more ionization energy than Sn. So remember these exceptions, okay guys, and these exceptions, and now you can remember the complete periodic table. Now let's start with the D block. Take a screenshot of it. All ionization energies are there in kilojoule per mole. Normally 3D and 4D have equal energy, almost equal energy, but when I talk about the transition series, so this is 3D, this is 4D and this is 5D, right? So 5D should be greater in size, so ionization energy of 5D element should be low, but it is greater. Ionization energy of 5D element is greater than 4D element. Why? Now I will tell you. From here onward we have 14 F electron or 14 elements which we call them lengthenide contraction, having very poor shielding effect and they cause lengthenide contraction. As a result, just note it down, Nb and Ta will have more ionization energy, W tungsten will have more ionization energy, this will have more ionization energy, this will have more ionization energy. I hope now this is clear. So these are all the variations we have covered within 2 to 3 minutes, and not just variations, I have also told you all the exceptions. So thank you guys, let's crack it.